Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and as you can see here we've got, let's say, a suggestions section, and actually your device is telling you to add a fingerprint to unlock your device. And of course, if you can see it, just tap on it and then you will be transferred to the very first step of adding the fingerprint. If for some reason you cannot see this suggestion bar, then we can do it manually. So let's swipe and find the security and lock screen. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the fingerprint option. So let's enter. Now we've got the note. It is actually the very first stage of adding a fingerprint, and here your device is telling you that your fingerprint data will be registered and saved only on this device, so it will not be transmitted to the developer or any third party. So let's tap on continue. Now we have to add an additional screen lock, and it is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will be still able to unlock your device, because if not, then you will have to erase all the data using the hard reset operation, and remember that it is irreversible. So it is very important to remember the pattern, pin or password, whatever you will choose, in order to unlock your device. So as I said, you can choose from 3 options. I will pick the pattern. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use. Now we have to draw the pattern and redraw it and confirm. Now we will have to locate the fingerprint sensor, the fingerprint scanner, so all we have to do right now is simply tap on next. Here we've got the note that if you will use the screen protector, then it may affect the sensor, so let's tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got the fingerprint sensor, and all you have to do right now is simply put your finger on it in order to add it. Try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, now we have to unroll our finger in order to add all of the edges of it, all of the areas. Okay, and as you can see, we just completed this action, so we just added our fingerprint to this device. You can add another just by tapping on this option. If not, tap on done. Here we can decide what kind of notifications will show on the lock screen, so you can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use, just make sure that it will be marked. So let me pick to show all notification content and tap on done. Here we can decide if you'd like to use the fingerprint for unlocking the device. If you don't want to, just tap on cancel. If you want to, tap on OK. So let me pick OK, and here we've got the fingerprint settings, and here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So here we've got the option to unlock the device, and as you can see now it is turned on. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on this switcher. Under it we've got the lock animations, unlock animations actually. So here you've got some options from which we can choose. So you can choose the animation effect, and all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on apply. Under it we've got the stored fingerprints, and the finger one is the one we just added. By tapping on it you can rename it, so this is the very cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, so you can recognize them. Of course you can remove it just by tapping on the storage bin icon. You can add another fingerprint, and here you can check it. So here you've got let's say a test for the fingerprints. If you've got a lot of them added, then you can just tap on it and your device will show you which finger you are putting on the sensor, let's say. Okay, so actually this is the whole customization of the fingerprint, and now let's check if it is working. So let's lock our device, and as you can see here we've got the fingerprint sensor, so let's try to unlock it. Let's tap on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. And obviously you can unblock your device also with the pattern or the pin you just set. Just by swiping up you can enter the screen lock, and the same situation, the device is unblocked. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.